Hi, I am the founder of CloudSpax, and I wanted to say one thing, that your YouTube channel will never end. And I say this with confidence because I lost 4 channels, making the exact same mistake that you are probably making. And for about a year, I couldn't even get 2,000 subscribers on any of my YouTube channels. I tried everything. I made roasting videos on my channel because I saw someone else getting millions of views. I tried tech videos and I even made dance videos on different channels because maybe that would work, but nothing worked. When nothing worked, I started copying other people's videos, taking their content from website and putting them into a different channels, hoping something would work. But then the roasting happened. I got copyright strike and my channel got deleted. 1 year of work is gone just like that. I felt like I was terrible at this, but the roast part was not the lowest number. It was going to bed every night wondering what was wrong with me. I was working hard. I was spending all weekends making videos. I was posting all that time, but nothing was working. I would watch other YouTube get famous overnight and think, what do they have I don't have? Then one day after losing my channel, it hit me. I was doing everything wrong. Not because I was not working hard, but because I had no plan. I had no plan, I had no understanding what YouTube want, what actually YouTube worked. I was creating channels for different topics, jumping from roasting to tech to dance, making random videos on each channel. I had no idea what I was making videos for or why they should watch. I was basically just guessing what to make next and hoping something would work. And then, if that didn't work, I took shortcut and that got me trouble. I was stuck asking myself what should I upload next across multiple channels with no real answers. And when I finally tried something, it backfired me. That's when I thought about something that changed everything. If I couldn't figure this out in a year, how many other people feel stuck just like me? How many smart people were wasting months or years just like I did, hoping for that one video that would change everything? So I decided to figure this out, not just for me, but for everyone else who are doing this and who are struggling to get views and grow on their channel. I spent months studying successful channels, not just watching them, but really looking at what they are doing differently. I looked at how they pick their topics, how they make their videos, how they grow their audience, and slowly I started learning. And I started understand what actually YouTube wants. But here's what really excited me. When I started helping other people, what I learned, they got results. So I started CloudSpax with my partner, who is the co-founder Vishal. Because I remember what it felt like to be stuck. I remember feeling frustrated, thinking maybe I was not enough. And I never want anyone else to waste time and lose their channels like I did. Now, through CloudSpax, we help loads of creators, entrepreneurs, coaches, consultants, or any other business person who want to create content and get client out of there. We help in content strategies that grow your YouTube channel to produce high quality content. So that's what this channel is about. I'm going to say everything I wish someone had told me before when I was struggling. Every week you will get some crazy stuff and get things that actually works. Okay, and how to pick the right topics and stuck with it, because jumping like I did will keep you stuck forever. And you will get to know like how to find videos ideas that people actually looking for, not random videos ideas like you might work. You hope that might work and get some viral stuff by luckily. So that's not gonna work. And one more thing, you can get like easy ways to turn your viewers into a sales call, real results, whether you can count it subscribers, clients, sales. I will show exactly how you can do this, and tools that will save your hours of work. Like, because you can't spend whole weekend to just create one video. You also have some other work to do, so you have to prioritize them. So that's what I'm going to say you, like,
AI and crazy stuff about how you can like way fast your content, and that's what makes this different, because everything I share comes from real experience, my mistake, my wins, and what my clients done. And there's lots of other creator I worked, so there's lots of stuff I'm going to share with you in future videos. So I'm not going to give you just theory or stuff that I read somewhere else. I'm going to show you exactly what works for my clients and what works for me, and I will tell you what doesn't work too, because there's lots of bad advice out there, and I don't want you to waste your time on just random stuff. You know what? You are just wasting time, things that sounds good but doesn't help. You know what? That's the my goal. So my goal is simple. I want to help you to avoid the mistake that I did, my client did, and I can help you to grow more faster. So that's my goal. So please use the comments. Tell me what you are struggling with. Share your beans, even the small ones. Ask questions about your situation. I read every comment. Honestly, to be honest, your question helped me to decide what should I create next video. If I see lots of people asking for same questions, same problem, that becomes my next video. Simple. So that's the simple things you have to do. So we are all doing this together, and I want to make sure I am giving you exactly what you need. So alright, so if you are tired of being stuck and you are ready to figure this out, hit that subscribe. I will show you in the next week, and we are talking about the biggest mistake that's keeping you stuck, and it's probably the same one that cost me my first channel, and let's figure this out together. So see you.